Are you looking for a reliable and efficient way to migrate IBM Lotus Notes NSF files to Google Apps G Suite? Welcome to WholeClear NSF to G Suite Converter is a powerful utility designed to help you transfer NSF data quickly, securely, and without any data loss. Key benefits of importing NSF files to Google Apps. Fast and smooth migration in just 4 simple steps. 100% data safety and integrity assurance. Requires Lotus Notes application for accurate conversion. Free NSF to Google Apps conversion tool available. Step-by-step guide to connect IBM Notes data files to Google Apps. Step 1. Launch the WholeClear NSF to G Suite Converter on your system. Step 2. Select the Lotus Notes NSF file as the email source. Step 3. Choose file mode or folder mode and upload the NSF files you want to migrate. Step 4. Select the option to export data to a G Suite account and click Next. Step 5. Enter your G Suite account username and password, then click Authenticate User. Step 6. Choose an existing folder in your G Suite account or create a new one. Step 7. Click Upload Now to start the migration process. Once the migration is complete, users can log into their G Suite account and access NSF mailbox data online. This solution is widely trusted by both home users and businesses for secure and efficient IBM Notes to Google Apps migration. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.